So what's up guys? So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the origami karambit. So it's actually pretty cool, as you all can see. It's pretty cool. So you need to make a square. And then fold this tip to this tip. And then unfold. And then fold both of these tips to the middle. And then fold these two edges to the middle line. And then turn to the other side. And now fold these two tips to this line. And now fold this part from this point. As y'all can see over here, there's a point. So now we're just basically gonna fold from here like that. And when you fold, make sure that this line is going straight and not like this or anything else. And so we're just gonna fold the paper in half. And then pull out like this. And then pull it. Pull it out like this. Just like that. And now you gotta just pull this line into the middle line. And then from this point, fold somewhere in the middle, somewhere like here. And now you just simply fold that in half from behind. And now you gotta just fold in half. And then after that, just roll it like this. And then try to bring it inside this pocket and just fold from this tip. And now you're just gonna add a little dab of glue there. And then just slide it in there. And now we just model it out. And we're not done yet, so now just simply fold from this point to here. And now unfold and do the same thing here. And now fold it inwards. And then this side. Okay, so now I just fold this tip inwards like this. And voila, you have yourself a karambit. So it's pretty cool actually. So hope you enjoyed today's video, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. And don't, if you're new, just hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, and then just hang out, and then just stay tuned for my videos. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye. Meet you in my next video.